Well, good morning, everybody. It's 2023, the first video from the studio of 2023. Uh, Welcome to the channel, and hope everyone had a happy, safe New Year. Uh, Comment down below. Did y'all stay out of trouble last night? Well, I know we sure did. Uh, Miss Linda and I went and ate Chinese at a Chinese buffet. Pretty good. They actually had frog legs on the buffet. I haven't had frog legs for a long time. Uh, friend and my best friend and I used to hunt frog legs in the ponds and eat them. You know, of course, we would fry them up, but anyway, uh, after that, we went to a Christmas light display at a house in a small town pretty close to us, and that was really cool. I've been seeing them on social media, and took her by there. We sat there for, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. They have 8 different songs. You can tune your radio to the frequency, and they play music. Uploaded a video to the short on the channel. So we got to see that. That was really, really neat. uh, and then we came home and we played a game, and Miss Linda beat me 2 out of 3. Um, and then we sat and watched TV, and I says, "I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go look at my eyelids. I'm tired." So when midnight rolled around, we were crashed. Uh, but anyway, what is your outlook for 2023? Uh, what in 2022 would you have changed? Um, 2022 was a decent year for us. Um, we had a great vacation out west. Uh, we started out and went to El Reno, Oklahoma. Got to meet uh, another channel down there. We stayed there the night. Had a great time. Uh, I think we became pretty good friends. Um, and from there, we went to Tucumcari, New Mexico. And I'd have to get the atlas out to actually look to see where all we went. But we ended up at the Grand Canyon, um, up to Jackson Hole, and then oh yeah, we went to Yellowstone, and then on over to South Dakota, and we had a great time. Um, Everything went well. I came back. We got back, and I was supposed to go to Indianapolis for the Truck Driving Championships, and I couldn't go because I had the C. I'll just call it that. So yeah, that's just the way it goes. I sold all the cows and calves uh, this past summer. In fact, it was August. Uh, would I change that? No. I miss it? Yeah, a little bit, but um, I don't have to worry about them, when I'm gone, or I don't have to worry about having enough hay, having enough grass. Um, so it's just part of my past that it was a hobby, you know. Um, if I need beef, I know where to get the beef. Uh, my neighbors sell custom butcher beef, so um, and anyway, uh, this year we're planning on vacation in May, 2 weeks, over 2 weeks, and we're planning on going to the Florida Keys, just all the way down to the Keys, and then we'll be pulling our pop-up camper trailer behind us. Um, Hopefully the weather holds out for us where we don't have to put on rain suits every day because uh, that doesn't make for a fun ride when you have to wear rain suits. But uh, 23, we plan on doing a garden again. And back in August when we were on vacation, the garden got out of control. I could not keep up with it. And when we got back in August from vacation, the grass just took over. So this year I plan on having a tiller and keep it cleaned up. And I would really like to can some tomatoes and salsa and maybe some green beans. Hard telling. We'll see how it goes. Um, yeah. So what is your outlook in 2023? Well, my outlook is uh, you know, keep living life, putting the past behind me, which I struggle with. And just look forward to the future. I've got some fences I need to take down here on the property, clean up, and just look forward to the future. And uh, one thing that I like to do is I like to laugh. I like to have fun and laugh and have a good time. I like to talk to people, as you can probably tell. And I always enjoy meeting new people. And when I'm at a gas station, I tend to talk to people, say hi, how you doing? Oh wow, the weather sure is cold today, or I'm sure looking for, I just try to strike up a conversation, even though they don't seem like they're in a good mood, because my conversation with someone could uh, help that person uh, look, you know, hey, life's not so bad. So, uh, I look forward to meeting new people every day. It doesn't matter. Um, you know, uh, this channel, Lone Cowboy Adventures, is kind of like a hobby for me. It's almost therapeutic for me, you know, because I get to express myself and you know share life with y'all on here, and I just have a good time. Uh, the third thing I want to do is express more love. Um, I've had things go on in my past that sometimes I have a hard time doing that. Um, I have a little bit of anxiety, I would say, or afraid to do that to express more love. And just leave my stress behind every day, and leave the past behind every day. I can't worry about what happened 5 years ago, 10 years ago. It's hard to do. It's hard to put that behind us. So anyway, 23. I want to spend more time visiting my grandchildren, which is really hard to do because being a truck driver, you're gone for 12, 14 hours a day. And there's only so much time in a day to do stuff, Even if it's on a Sunday, jump in the truck or the bike or the car and go visit my grandkids. Because by gosh, next thing you know it, they're going to be 10 years old, 15 years old, 18 years old, you know. So time flies. I know that for a fact because it just seems like it was yesterday. I was in my 20s and single and rodeoing and running around and having a good time, you know. Would I change any of my experiences? Nah. I had a lot of people don't experience a lot of things that other people experience. But leave me a comment down below what you enjoy about the channel. Leave me a comment down below what you would like to see out of the channel. I'm slowly growing, which is fine. I enjoy your company, and I hope you enjoy my company. Oh, and Miss Linda's company when she joins in. So, and I'm drinking coffee out of my Missouri Highway Patrol coffee cup this morning. One thing I got to do today is go out for a motorcycle ride. It's kind of a New Year's tradition for motorcyclists to go out and ride New Year's Day. I don't remember if I went out last year and rode, but I don't even remember what the weather was doing back then. So anyway, I am going to jump off here. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit the big thumbs up, and let me know what you all did for New Year's Eve. And say hi to a stranger. You might make their day. They might make your day. And let's look forward to 2023. So we will talk at y'all later. And thanks for watching.